So today let's discuss one of the important procedure of community health nursing, that is bag technique. So what is bag technique? Bag technique is the techniques which we have to follow whenever you are doing any procedure with the help of the community health bag. So let's discuss what is community health bag. So community health bag is designed to carry equipments and material needed during a visit to a home, school, factory. Equipments and material are needed to make tests and to demonstrate patient care such as eye irrigation, application of ointment and medication. So this definition of community health bag was given by TNAI. So it should contain basic medication articles which are necessary for giving care. Now, what are the objectives of bag technique? The overall objectives of using community health bag is a systematic method is to be able to carry out nursing procedure in family with improvised equipments and articles available at home, and maintaining scientific and nursing principle which can also be practiced by the family in her absence. So the basic objective, the main objective of bag technique is to carry out the nursing procedure in the family with improvised equipments or articles which are already available at the home setting, by maintaining some of the scientific principles and nursing principles, and so that the family member also can perform the same procedure in her absence. So the purposes are to prevent spread of infection from one patient to the another, from one place to another place, by keeping the bag and its content as clean as possible. To demonstrate the principles of cleanliness to the patient and the family member by using the bag in an orderly way. Then to carry out the selected procedure, demonstration, teaching and follow-up services for patient and the family members. So now let's discuss about the principles which we have to follow whenever you are using the bag. The first principle is the use of the bag technique should be minimized. If not, what will happen? Totally prevent the spread of infection from individual to families, hence to the community. The bag technique should save time and effort on the part of the nurse in performance of nursing procedure. So it should save time and effort of the community health nurse. The bag technique should not overshadow the concern of the patient rather than show the effectiveness of total care given to an individual or family. Now the indication. So the public health bag or community health bag is used by the public health nurse to provide antenatal, intranatal, postnatal care to mother and children, to perform certain diagnostic procedure, for example hemoglobin testing, urine testing, for early detection of high risk cases, and provide treatment. Then to demonstrate certain procedure to family members and the community, such as preparation of ORS, baby butt, application of benzyl benzoate in cases of scabies. Then provide emergency and first aid services in case of accidents and minor ailments. Then provide and demonstrate care in case of communicable disease such as chickenpox. Now, provide follow-up services in chronic illness, for example diabetes, hypertension, etc. Assess the need of the individual and family to give health education in care of malnutrition, environmental hazards, home accidents and immunization. Now let's discuss about the compartment of the community bag. So the first we'll discuss about the outer pocket. So what are the equipment is to be there in the outer pocket? So outer pocket is used to keep a diary, to maintain the records, clean paper bag to throw our dry waste, and a square piece of newspaper or a plastic sheet, so that over there we can place our community bag. And the other side of the outer pocket we can keep our hand washing article. So what things will be there in the hand washing article? Soap with soap box, nail cutter, towel, paper bag. Then come to the down compartment. So down compartment, generally what are the things we used to keep? All the things required for urine analysis. So test tube stand, test tubes, test tube holder, matchbox, lamp, spirit lamp, specimen bottle, kidney tray. So these are the things required for urine analysis, so that these articles will keep in the down compartment. Now come to the internal compartment. So these are used for keeping solution, medication for internal and external use, simple instruments for dressing, article for certain procedures such as temperature taking, urine testing, and dental examination, few additional things for health teaching. So scissors, artery forceps, thumb forceps, enema tube, apron, gauze piece, cotton balls, stethoscope, mucus sucker, syringes with different size, thermometers, ball. Some of the solution is to be there in the internal compartment: benzoin, Savlon or Dettol, iodine solution, acetic acid for urine analysis, betadine for any kind of wound dressing, then zinc oxide. These are the solution is to be there in the internal compartment. Now let's discuss about the procedure. So first step of your procedure is to select area of your work. So how you are going to select your area? You have to select an area which should be dry and clean, and you have to keep your mind and it should be outreach from children and other pet animals. Then after selecting the proper area, you have to spread your newspaper. So after spreading the newspaper, in the corner or in the 1/3 part of the newspaper, you have to keep your bag. Then after keeping your bag, from the outer compartment you will remove the hand washing articles and unlock your bag. After removing the hand washing article, go to your hand washing area, wash your hand. Then remove the apron from the bag and put it on. Remove all the needed equipments from the internal compartment. Now after removing all the needed equipments according to your procedure which you are going to perform, then you have to close the bag. So after completion of your procedure, wash your hand under tap water with soap. Then after hand washing, you'll come back to your backside. Then you have to use cotton swab and spirit. Then you have to clean all the equipment whatever you have used during your procedure. Then wait for 5 minutes, then return the articles to the bag. Then fold the newspaper with use side inside and return to the outer pocket. Close the bag, write a report of what was observed, what was done, and instruction given. Then evaluation and documentation. Record all relevant findings about the client and the members of the family. Take note of environmental factors which affect the client and family health. Include quality of nurse-patient relationship. Assess effectiveness of nursing care provided. Now care of the bag. How you have to take care of your community bag. In order to keep the bag ready for use at any time, observe some of the following instructions. Clean the bag daily. Protect from excessive heat or rain to reserve it in a good condition. Replace the drugs, dressing and linen daily in the bag. Empty all the contained. Wash the bag with soap and water once in a week or more frequently depending how much it has been used, and dry it under the sun. Then wash the non-expendable article, for example instruments, linen, utensils, soap with soap and water, and boil them. Replace cotton and plastic bags containing swab and dressing with sterile one. Check gloves, catheter, thermometer, glass article, replace if spoiled or broken. Repack the bag in an orderly way. Keep the article in their usual places to make them easily traceable. Now let's discuss about the nurse's responsibility. So the bag should contain all the necessary articles and supply and equipment so that you can perform your procedure in a good manner. The bag and its contents should be clean. The bag and its contents should be well protected. Hand washing should be done very frequently. The bag should be cleaned thoroughly before reuse, and record the procedure after performing. So Hope you all have understood the procedure, the back technique. Thank you.